Chief Minister makakuha illegal ang pagkakatalaga bilang Interim Chief Minister kahit na may suspension ito sa BIAF MILF ayon sa isang abogado. Star DJ Tom para sa buong detalye.
Nilinaw ni Attorney Baidona Dilangalen ang Vice President ng Integrated Bar of the Philippines dito sa Cotabato City na hindi iligal o walang bisa ang pagkakatalaga kay Abdul Rauf Makakua bilang Interim Chief Minister ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARM sa kabila ng umiiral na suspensyon nito bilang Chief of Staff ng MILF BIAF. Ayon kay Dilangalen, magkaibang posisyon ang tinutukoy sa dalawang tungkulin ni Makakua kung saan ang pagiging Chief of Staff ng Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces o itong BIAF ay saklaw ng internal na desisyon ng Moro Islamic Liberation Front or MILF, habang ang pagiging Interim Chief Minister naman ay isang appointment na nasa kapangyarihan ng Pangulo ng Bansa. Dahil dito, iginiit ng abogado na nananatiling may bisa ang pagkakatalaga kay Makakua bilang ICM dahil ito ay dumaan sa lehitimong proseso sa ilalim ng umiiral na batas at constitutional authority. Samantala, naniniwala rin si Dilangalen na nananatiling MILF-led ang Bangsamoro Transition Authority o itong BTA Parliament, mga kabombo, batay sa intensyon ng transitory provisions ng Bangsamoro Organic Law. Gayunpaman, nilinaw niya na hindi tinutukoy ng batas kung ang batayan ng pagiging MILF-led ay sa bilang ng kinatawan o sa pamumuno. Ngunit sa kasalukuyang setup, nananatili umano na nasa pamunuan pa rin ng MILF ang plenaryo sa pamamagitan ng liderato ng Interim Chief Minister. Narito ang naging panayam ng Star FM Cotabato kay IBP Vice President Attorney Baidona Dilangalen.
Right now, the Interim Chief Minister, Makakua, is holding two positions arising from two different organizations. First, he was the Chief of Staff of the Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces. Second, he's now acting as the Interim Chief Minister. So, though the fact that he was indefinitely suspended as the Chief of Staff of the Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces does not necessarily put him on the spot being an illegitimate interim chief minister of the Bangsamoro. Because for one, yung pagiging chief of staff of the BF niya is coming from the appointing authority of the MILF. His being an interim chief minister is coming from the appointing power of the President of the Philippines, no less than Ferdinand Marcos Jr. And according to the Constitution, dun ang nanggaling na appointing power of the President is the constitutional provision na the President may appoint such other officers by which he may be authorized by law to appoint and not otherwise provided for by law. So, definitely, his appointment as the Chief of Staff of the his appointment as the Interim Chief Minister is definitely legitimate. And just because he's on indefinite suspension by the MILF as the Chief of Staff of the BIAF does not negate the fact of his legitimacy.
May mga ibang legal issues pa po ba na deem important at this stage po sa posisyon ni Chief Minister Attorney?
Marami kasi yung issues na lumalabas na on social media with respect to just because he is now on indefinite suspension by the MILF as Chief of Staff of the BIAF. Is the Bangsamoro Transition Authority still MILF-led? That's the question now. And the answer for me, yes, the Bangsamoro Transition Authority now is still MILF-led. Because what's provided in the transitory provision of the Bangsamoro Organic Law is that it shall be MILF-led but it does not expressly define if it's a numerical representation or if there's a fixed numerical representation for as long as it is MILF-led, meaning yung leadership. And right now, the interim chief minister Mapapua is not, or he's not expelled as member of the MILF. In fact, he's still a recognized senior MILF member. So, still legitimate pa din siya and still considered MILF-led pa din ang Bangsamoro Transition Authority.
Si Integrated Bar of the Philippines Cotabato Vice President Attorney Baidona Dilangalen sa naging panayam ng Star FM Cotabato. At yan ang aking report mula dito sa Cotabato City. Ako si Star DJ Tom ng 93.7 Star FM Cotabato. And this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!